yourself? There.
Dice is dead.
Supposed to keep running! Alright, we got Sicky on all the way over to the side. Yeah. That's more like it. Hit! Fuck yeah!
How many you got left in there, Andre? 3 more high now. Oh, and then people. Oh, I don't know. Nope, too slow. What? It's a far right.
One more, doorway.
Yeah,
No.
there's one right next to the crack shack. He's standing right up. To the right of it. Yeah, I know exactly. He's standing right up. I can see him through the net.